Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Android phone as a game controller for PC. Using your Android phone, the same controller is possible through the same Wi-Fi or internet connection. And here are the steps to use your Android phone as a game controller for PC using your remote gamepad. First, make sure your PC and Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your PC, open a browser and go to the Remote Gamepad website. Download and install the Remote Gamepad server for Windows on your PC. After that, restart your PC. Launch the Remote Gamepad server on your PC. And now, on your Android phone, open the Google Play Store, search for Remote Gamepad and install the app. Open the Remote Gamepad app on your phone, then grant any required permissions, Wi-Fi or network access. The app sometimes will automatically detect your PC running in remote gamepad server. Now tap connect on your phone to pair with your PC, then tap on scan code. Capture the QR code that was shown on the computer screen. Once connected, go back to home. Choose the controller layout you want, for example, is joystick, buttons, D-pad, etc. Open a PC game that supports keyboard or controller input. Test the controls on your phone to make sure the inputs are working properly. Adjust the button mapping or sensitivity in the Remote Gamepad app if needed. Tips: a USB connection may be available and some setups for lower latency. It works best with Steam games and emulators. Keep the PC server running whenever you want to use the phone as a controller. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.